Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today math class. Today class we are going to learn about finding the value of algebraic expression. Children, last class we learned about what is algebraic expression and how we can apply the operations like addition, subtraction on this algebraic expressions. Hope it is clear to everyone. And today class we are going to learn about finding the value of algebraic expression. As we all know, algebraic expression is nothing but collection of terms. What I said by it is collection of terms. And how we can find the value of that algebraic expression? Let's see here. What is the meaning of finding the value? We'll see with the help of one algebraic expression. Let me take one algebraic expression 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Now it is one algebraic expression. I want to find the value of this algebraic expression at different values. See better, suppose if x is equal to 1, then find what is the value of this algebraic expression. 2 in the place of x, I took 1 in bracket 1 minus 3. Just you can submit in the place of x 1. Bracket means into better. 2 1s are 2 minus 3, which gives minus 1. If x is equal to, what is the expression beta? 2x minus 3. In the place of x, submit to 2. In the place of x, if I write 2 minus 3. 2 2s are 4 minus 3, which gives 1. So this is the way you can find the value of the algebraic expression. Value of this algebraic expression at x equal to 1 is minus 1. And value of this algebraic expression at x equal to is 1. So like that you can find the value of the algebraic expression. Finding the value of algebraic expression is nothing but just we are going to submit one particular value in the place of variable. Submit that value in the place of variable so that we get the value of that algebraic expression at the given particular value. Sir, where do we use this finding the value of expression? We learned how to find the area of square, perimeter of square, area of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle. So in that formula we'll use how we need finding the value of expression concept. Example you can see better. Let me take one rectangle here. Let me take one rectangle whose length is equal to 4 and breadth is equal to 3. Now here, if I want to know the perimeter of rectangle, yes, perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula we have to find the perimeter of rectangle? Sir, we have 2 into L plus B. Now here, to know the perimeter, we know L is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. Now to know the perimeter of this rectangle, submit the variable values. In the place of L is equal to 4, in the place of B equal to 3. Actually it is one algebraic expression. See what a collection of terms. 2 into L, 2L plus 2 into B, 2B, 2L plus 2B, algebraic expression. Now, to know the perimeter, we have to find the value of that algebraic expression at L is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. We have to find the value of that expression. And value of that expression at L equal to 4 and B equal to 3 gives the perimeter of the given rectangle. Submit and see here is equal to 2 into, in the place of L 4 plus B 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 7s are 14. Yes, perimeter of this given figure is 14. So like that we can apply the concept of finding the value of algebraic expression in the formula. Not only perimeter of rectangle like area of rectangle, area of square, area of triangle, like many are there where we can apply the concept of finding the algebraic expression. Hope it is clear. Finding the value means just in the place of x, submit whatever the given value they gave and simplify it. Let's see some applications. Some problems are there based on this finding value of algebraic expression. Yes children, let's see some examples based on how to find the value of the expression at the given value. Here see what example 1. P is equal to, if P is equal to minus 2, find the value of minus 3p square plus 4p minus 9. 17 minus 6p. 7p by 2 minus 7. We have to find the value of this algebraic expressions at p is equal to minus 2. Let's see what is the solution. Let me take the first one. What is the first expression, beta? Minus 3p square plus 4p minus 2. Submit p is equal to how much? Minus 2. Submit p is equal to minus 2. Yes. Just you can submit p is equal to how much, beta? Minus 2 in the above expression. Now you can see here minus 3. In the place of p, we need to submit minus 2. And keep in mind, whenever you submit that variable value, keep in bracket. Keep in bracket. Minus 2 whole to the power of 2. Plus 4 in the place of p, minus 2. Write in brackets better. Minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Can we simplify like that? No, we can't simplify better. First we have the power. Simplify that power. Then you can multiply it before symbol. This you can multiply. Bracket means here into plus into minus. Minus 4 to the 8. Here you can multiply directly plus into minus. There is no power here. But here we can't multiply. Power, we have a power. So simplify that power first. So minus 3. Start the bracket. Minus 2 whole to the power of 2. What we can write better here? Minus 2 whole to the power of 2. Let me take some rough here. See, minus 2 whole power 2, minus 2 whole to the power of 2. It means power 2. This is called base here. It is called power. So power 2. So multiply the base itself 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2. So multiply with a minus into minus plus 2 to the 4. Inside the bracket, I got the answer 4. This both we can multiply directly. The reason there is no power. So plus into minus, minus 4 to the 8, minus 2. Now we have no symbol, plus symbol, but multiply with symbol minus into plus, minus 3 4 is 12. So we can write minus 8, minus 2. Simplify all this. Minus, minus, minus. All they have same symbol. Addition 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So after addition, write the big number before symbol, which is minus. That is the way you can find the value of the expression at given value. Yes. Let's see one more example. Second one you can see over here. 17 minus 6p. Here, submit p is equal to how much? Minus 2. Yes. Let me write here submit or substitute p is equal to how much? Minus 2. 17 minus 6. In the place of p we can write minus 2 in bracket. Here there is no power, so we can multiply this directly. First you can multiply symbols. Write 17 minus into minus plus 6 to the 12. 17 plus 12, 29. Like that you can find. We go for one more beta, third one. 7p by 2 minus 11, where p is equal to how much? Minus 2. Solution you can see. You can substitute. P is equal to how much? Minus 2. Substitute or submit. 7 in the place of p we can write minus 2 by 2 minus 11. This both you can simplify by here bracket means into here no symbol plus into minus 7 to the 14 by 2 minus 11. 2 1s are 2 7s are is equal to minus 7 minus 11. So both are same symbol addition 11 7 18. Then big number before symbol is minus. Yes, children, you can see now here from exercise 12.3. We'll see some problems based on how to find the value of the algebraic expression at the given value. See here, if a is equal to b is equal to minus 2, find the value of a square plus ab plus b square. Submit a is equal to b is equal to minus 2, then we find the value of this algebraic expression. You can see solution right here. So the given expression is a square plus ab plus b square. So here we need to submit. Yes, what we have to submit? So submit a is equal to 2, comma b is equal to how much? Minus 2. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2. We will submit in this. in the place of a2 2 square plus in the place of a2 in bracket in the place of b minus 2 we can write plus in the place of b we write minus 2 where b minus 2 again whole square. Just we are going to submit the values. Now you can see that here power 2 to the power of 2 we can write 2 into 2. Now this completely one term only. You can multiply that plus into minus bracket means into by 2 to the 4 plus this you can simplify here. Let me go to rougher can simplify minus 2 power 2 minus 2 whole power 2. Here power 2 beta base minus 2. So power 2 is nothing but that base minus 2 multiply itself 2 times. We can write here minus 2 into minus 2. Multiply beta minus into minus plus 2 to the 4. So minus 2 whole power 2 what is the result beta plus 4 in bracket can write. Now see 2 to the 4 minus 4 plus into plus 4. You can see here plus 4 minus 4 this both how much 0 plus 4 0 plus 4 how much plus 4. So you can find the value of this and see one more. When a is equal to 0 b is equal to minus 1 find the value of this algebraic expression. Same like previous, just values are changing here. They give variable values are different. See better solution here. The given expression is a square plus ab plus 2. So in the place of a we submit 0 whole square plus in the place of a 0 in bracket in the place of b minus 1 plus 2 0 square again 0 plus into minus 0 into something 0 plus 2. So what is the result? Plus 2 is the answer. So now you can see now from x to 12.260 bit. Simplify and find the value of x. Find the value at x equal to 2. How to simplify? Already we learned in previous class. Simplify in the sense do addition and subtraction if possible. When those two are possible, when the terms are like terms. Yes. Now we need to simplify this. If any like terms are there, write together. Simplify. After simplifying, you have to find value at x equal to 2. First we'll simplify. While simplifying, if any bracket is there, try to open that bracket by multiplying the before coefficient. Now bracket inside we have two terms 2x minus 1. It is called binomial. Now in that binomial, those two terms multiply with this monomial. First multiply these two. First symbols. See what the solution here. Plus into plus 4 2s are 8 variable term as it is. Now multiply monomial with second term. First symbols. Here no symbol plus beta. Plus into minus. Raise into sir. Bracket means into beta. Plus into minus 4 1s are 4 plus 3x plus 11. We open the bracket. So that is the way we open the bracket by multiplying with its coefficient. Now we need to simplify. Identify the right terms. Write together. I can see these two are right terms. Same variable x, same power 1. So those two like terms write together. Even constants are like terms. We write together. Plus 8x plus 3x. Together we can write both are like terms. You can simplify them. Same variable, same power. X to minus 4 plus 11. So both are same symbol addition. 8 plus 3. Simplify the coefficients. 11 and variable term is as it is. Minus 4 plus 11. We can write plus 7. Yes. Now we simplified. More we can't simplify. The reason both are unlike terms. Now we have to find the value at x equal to. Now we have to find the value. Yes. Take right here. Sorry. Now we write submit. How much you can submit beta? X is equal to how much? 2. Sir, submit x is equal to 2. Now here 11 in the place of x write 2 beta in bracket. Plus 7. 11 2 is 22 plus 7. Which gives 29. Like that you can find. Hope it is clear. Simplify in the sense if any bracket is there, open the bracket by multiplying with before coefficient. And if any like terms are there, write together, simplify. So once if it is simplified, then you can submit the value, you will get the result. We'll see one more. This fifth bit I'll explain here. Seventh bit, fifth one. Simplify and find the value of x equal 3, a minus 1, b minus 2. Same, they're asking in previous. We have to write the like terms together, simplify that, then you can submit those values. We'll take first one, fifth one, 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus 8. Now here we need to identify the like terms. See what I think, these both are the like terms. Same variable a and same power 1. So write those two like terms together, 2a plus a. More any like terms, b, only 1, minus 2b. And these both are like terms, even the constants are like terms. These two are like terms, we can make it single term. Even these two are like terms, we can simplify them and we can make a single term. See, a coefficient is 2, a, there is no coefficient 1. Same variable a, same power 1, like terms. Simplify the coefficients, 2 plus 1, 3. And the variable term as it is 3a minus 2b. Even these both also like terms, we can make a single term, minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. Now we simplified. More we can't simplify further. The reason all they are unlike terms. Now submit the values of a, b. Yes. Now write. Submit. A is equal to how much? In the place of a we need to submit minus 1. In the place of b how much? Minus 2. We can submit these values in the place of a, b, and we'll find the value of this expression. 3 in the place of a minus 1 in bracket, minus 2 in the place of b minus 2 in bracket, minus 9. Here bracket means into multiply both one of these, plus into minus, 3 ones are 3. Bracket means into minus, plus 2 twos are 4, minus 9. See here now we'll simplify these two terms, minus 3 plus 4 plus 1, minus 10. Again this both gives us minus 8. Like that you can simplify. We'll see one more beta. Second one, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Identify the like terms, write together. These both are like terms. Same variable x, same power 1. So these two terms will write together and we'll make a single term. And even these two also constant, we'll write together. We can simplify them and we can make a single term. X same variable 1 same power. Simplify coefficients, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4x plus 2 plus 4 gives us plus 6. Now it is simplified. Both are unlike terms. More we can't simplify. Now submit x equal to how much? 3. Yes. Let me write here. Submit x equal to how much? 3. Minus 4 in the place of x, 3 in bracket, plus 6. You know simple place, bracket is into minus and plus minus, what is the 12? Plus 6. So simplify those two constant, different operations, subtraction, 12, 6, 6. Then big number before symbol. Hope it is clear to all. How to find the value? Yes, children will see one more problem. 90 bit from exercise 12.3. Like it is one of the application based on able to find the value of expression. Let's see what 9th one. What should be the value of a? What is the value of a if the value of this expression equal to 5 when x equal to 0? When x equal to 0. We'll go for solution better. They said here value of this expression equal to how much? 5. Yes. We'll take this part. Let me write. Given 2x square plus x minus a equal this set 5. This will write by using operation. Let us see. 2x square plus x minus a equal to how much? 5. Now we have to find the value of a from here. And this said when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. Yes. We write this term if x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0. Submit x equal to 0 here. 2 in the place of x 0 plus in the place of x 0 minus a is equal to 5. 2 zeros are 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to how much? 5. So minus a is equal to 5. But they are asking find a. I want positive value of a. So to get positive value of a, multiply minus with both sides. Minus into minus plus. To get positive value of a, let me multiply. Yes. Multiply minus both sides. So what is the equation? Minus a is equal to 5 now. LHS multiply with minus and even the RHS also multiply with minus. Why we have to multiply with minus beta? To know the positive value of a. If I multiply with minus, minus into minus will become plus, so that we get the positive value of a. Bracket means into beta. Minus into minus plus a is equal to, here no symbol plus, minus into plus minus 5. The value of a is equal to minus 5. Children, easy one 10th problem beta, exercise 12.3. Simplify and find the value of this expression at a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. First we need to simplify beta. Then after we find the value at a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. See beta, how can I simplify this? First we have to open the bracket. So how can we open the bracket? Sir, bracket inside we have two terms. It is binomial. Now multiply this binomial with monomial. First multiply monomial into first term of binomial. Then multiply monomial into second term. First multiply symbols beta. Here no symbol plus, no symbol plus. Plus into plus, plus 2 into a square, 2a square. Now plus into plus, plus 2 into ab, 2ab. Plus 3 minus ab. Now if any like terms are there, write together and simplify. A power 2. There is no a power 2 term. ab. Here you can see ab term. So this both are like terms. Same variable ab. Same power. A power 1, a power 1. B power 1, b power 1. So both are like terms. We write together. 2ab minus ab. Next. And remaining terms are plus 2a square plus 3. ab coefficient 2. ab no coefficient 1. 2ab, 1ab, ab, both are same variable, same terms, same powers, I mean like terms. So simplify coefficients. 2 minus 1, 1ab plus 2a square plus 3. More we can't simplify. All that unlike terms. Now we need to submit the variable values. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to how much? Minus 3. Submit these two values. 1 in the place of a, 5 in the place of b, minus 3 in bracket, plus 2 in the place of a, 5 square plus 3. Simplify this. Bracket means into, here no symbol plus, plus into minus, minus 1 5 is 5, 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 5 square, 5 into 5 we can write 5 into 5. Power 2 means multiply the base itself 2 times plus 3. So minus 15 plus 2 into 5 5 is 25 plus 3. Minus 15 plus 25 is 50 plus 3. Minus 15 plus 50 beta, subtraction 35 we get. And big number before symbol, which is plus symbol. Now remaining term is plus 3. Now same symbol, operation is addition 38 and big number symbol. Like that you can find the values. Hope this clear to you people. So what we learned today class? We learned about how to find the value of expression. To find the value of expression, submit that particular value in the given expression and simplify it. Hope that concept is clear for you people. And based on that knowledge, try to complete the problems from exercise 12.3. Thank you once again. We'll meet in the next class.